Hi guys, it's the Wesley family here, and we are just on Mt Rinjani waterfall. Waterfall. It has a stream that leads all the way down there. If you can see it. And there's the waterfall. One of them is really high, and there's one that just seems like so much. It leads them all the way down that road. Whoa! Bam! Oh my god! Oh my god! And so, yeah, it's pretty cool. My dad is over here. I'm gonna go ask him his review. What do you think of this review so far?
Pretty beautiful.
What do you think of this review? What? What? Okay. So there's many people there. We just find that very nice.
You want coming down?
Monkeys. I just saw a monkey. And there is a second waterfall that we're gonna do, but we aren't able to climb this one. It has like a jungle one.
No, do you ever sit down on these rocks?
A little stream that leads down.
On my life.
There
On my
are
life.
little shops that people sell. Oh, now there's a big rock. The rock family, and looks like my dad's sitting down on it. And
A banana. We don't have a banana, I'm afraid.
this is a road.
No, there's corn.
Okay.
We're going to get some food in a bit. The lady's going to take us.
Now we have a waterfall here that looks very nice. This is a pretty popular tourist place. And we brought two kinds of water bottles. The blue one. Overall, I give this place so far about an 8 out of 10 because we still have to go off Mt Rinjani, which is the world's second largest volcano, the second largest volcano in Indonesia. And if you want to climb up it, it takes 3 days and 2 nights exactly to climb up there. And Mt Rinjani is around 3,780 feet. Meters. It's very tall. And also in about the 14th or 15th century, Mt Rinjani was 4,730 meters. But since it had a huge eruption, it exploded itself and minus itself by 1,000. So it was 4,730, and now it's 3,730. The exact number is 3,000. Right now is 3,700, and oh no, 3,728. And so it's pretty good. And so yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Goodbye. And we haven't got that much subscribers lately, and I'm trying to upgrade to make some good videos. So yeah, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.